Welcome, my friends. Today we're going to talk about these three buttons and what they can do for you. Okay, so this three buttons is the Garmin Edge Remote. It's a Bluetooth-enabled device that connects up to your Garmin computer, and with this device you can control your start-stop of the computer, you can switch between screens on the computer, and you also can mark intervals or other important events to you during a ride. Real handy. You don't have to take your hands off the handlebars while you're riding to activate it. Where I have it mounted is obviously right next to where my thumb would be able to control it, and it works out real well for me, especially during hard intervals and if there's multiple of them coming one after the other. I'm going to go out on a ride. I'll show you how it works. Follow along. All right, folks, thanks for sticking with me. That's the Garmin Edge Remote, Bluetooth connected to your Garmin computer. Works out real well, as you saw from the video. You can switch between the screens on your computer. You can mark off intervals. You can start and stop the computer all with the press of a thumb without taking your hands off the handlebars and maintaining positive control over your bike at all times. That's good. It makes it safe, makes it convenient all around. About 45 bucks on Amazon. I have an Amazon affiliate link down below. Go ahead and check that out. If you haven't seen it, a little while back I did a video on a Garmin Varia rear radar. It's a rear-facing radar, so you can see cars approaching from behind you. That shows up on your Garmin computer. That's a really good device. Check that video out, see what you think of that. Other than that, remember, your couch sucks. It's time to get up, get on, get outside, and go ride your bike. See ya.